My Simpson 8 kg top loader keeps on stopping and beeping when washing, and the water setting lights all three keeps flashing and stopping it and starting.
Hi there. Just waiting for you to join the chat conversation. Hi there, welcome to JA. Is this an 8 kg Eziset washer, please?
Yes, it is.
The 3 water temp lights are flashing, not the water level, correct?
That's correct, the 3 different washing temp lights.
Okay, are there any beeps accompanied with the 3 lights flashing, please? 5 beeps or 15 fast beeps?
Yes, there are beeps with the lights, then it tries to restart washing again.
Excellent, thank you. XXXXXXXXXX at home with the machine now?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to do something for me, please. Go and open the lid to the open position. Tell me if you see a white plastic piece of plastic attached to the inside of the lid, on the left-hand side, about halfway down the lid. There will be 2 screws attaching this plastic tab to the lid. Can you confirm this for me, please?
Yes, the lid lock.
You have the lid lock on this machine? Is the lid lock light flashing as well along with the 3 temp lights?
Sometimes it is.
Okay, just one moment please. Can you supply me the model number, please, on the back section of the control panel, on the left-hand side from when you are standing in front of the machine? There is a sticker just on the back part. If you lean over the panel, you will be able to see it.
SWT 802
One moment please. There is a problem with the lid locking switch on your washing machine. The lid lock not only locks the lid, but incorporates the lid switch as well. The 3 water temp lights flashing is telling you that the lid is not closed, even though physically it is actually closed. The problem is that the terminals inside the switch rust and corrode away. This is quite common for these machines. The good news is, these are on product recall, which means, if you contact Simpson on the information below, they are obligated to come and fix the lid locking switch for free by law. I will link you to the product recall on the lid locking switch, and also supply you the phone number to ring Simpson with and get the machine fixed for free. Would you be satisfied with this information today? As an answer, please?
S. Yes.
Do you have a pen handy by any chance?
Yes.
Here is the Simpson contact info. Ring them and tell them you are having problems with the lid locking switch and that you are aware of the product recall and would like to have it repaired under consumer warranty, etc. Simpson 1300-363-640. Also, here is the product recall link. Your model is about halfway down the page. http://www.recalls.gov.au/content/index.phml/item id/9710063. The machine won't work if the lid switch isn't telling the brain that it is closed, etc., so you will need to have the lid locking switch replaced.
Thanks you.
Make the call. Simpson are obligated to repair this for you for free, otherwise it would cost about $90 for the lid cloaking switch, plus another $100 in labor. I will now supply you with the ratings tab. Thank you for using JustAnswer. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.